Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and simplify this. It's a complex, well, complex numbers, but a division of complex numbers. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna multiply by the conjugate. Now what that means is, so if I have 3 minus 2i, so if I have, I'll put it right here, 3 minus 2i, the conjugate is gonna be 3 plus 2i, right? So I'm going to multiply on top and bottom by 3 plus 2i. Okay, so now it is a matter of, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to put parentheses and you're going to put 2 plus 5i times 3 plus 2i, right? Now here you can use FOIL method, and on the bottom you do, so it's 3 minus 2i times 3 plus 2i, right? So, basically, you can use FOIL method on top and bottom. On the bottom, you can use the sum and difference rule if you'd like, or you can just use FOIL method. It really doesn't matter because you'll get the same answer anyways. On the top, you do have to use FOIL method. So basically, FOIL method is first, outer, inner, last, right? So basically we have 2 times 3, so 2 times 3, and then plus, and we're going to multiply the 2 to the 2i, so plus 2 times 2i, and then plus 5i times 3, so so let me actually, hold on, so it's 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2i, and then plus 5i times 3, right, because we're doing it over here, and then plus 5i times 2i. And the reason why I moved it over here is because there's right here. So that is for the top. For the bottom, you can do the same thing if you'd like. If you don't know the sum and difference pattern, it's okay. You can just do the same thing. So you have 3 times 3, like that, so 9, or let's just put 3 times 3 for now. And then plus, and you can do, so distribute it to the 2i, 3 times 2i, and then minus 2i times 3, because right here, and then minus 2i times 2i. Right? So now it's a matter of simplifying, and I know this one's kind of taking a little long, but yes, this is usually how it is. So we have 2 times 3, that's 6, so we're going to put 6, and then plus 2 times 2i is 4i, and then plus, and then 5i times 3 is 15i, and then, so let's go ahead and cross out as we go, and then 5i times 2i is 10i squared. Okay, all over, and then we have 3 times 3, which is 9, and then 3 times 2i is plus 6i, so like this. And then negative 2i times 3 is negative 6i. And then negative 2i times 2i is negative 4i squared. So here's the thing about I squared. If you remember from your algebra class, I is really the square root of negative 1. So I squared is equal to this squared. If we square it, right, it's going to be negative 1. So I squared is negative 1. So now we have to simplify that on here. So then this is going to give us, it's going to be 6 plus 4i. Or actually, let's go ahead and simplify, or combine these two. So, guys, give me 1 second. I'm so sorry. So, this is 19i actually. So this is 19i, and then plus 10i squared. So remember, I squared is negative 1. So it's going to be 10 times negative 1. And then all over, and then 6i and negative 6i cancel out. We have 9 minus 4, because right here it's negative 4i squared, but we're going to put I squared as negative 1. Okay, so this simplifies to 6, and it's going to be minus 10 plus 19i. You want to make sure you write it in a plus or minus bi form. So the imaginary number always has to go second. And then all over, and we have 9 minus 4 times negative 1. That's really just 9 plus 4, which is 13. Okay. This is, this then equals negative 4 plus 19i all over 13, and this would be your answer. However, some professors or some teachers like it for you to do it into 2 fractions, so they like you to say negative 4 over 13 plus 19i over 13, and this would be your answer. Okay, I mean, you can do it this way as well, but I would put both in both ways, so that way they know how you're doing it. But yes, this is how you do, like, basically this, this expression here. That's how you do it, because you have to multiply by the conjugate, and then you have to do a lot of, like, simplifying with imaginary numbers. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. This one was a little bit long, but yeah, so like I said, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.